Welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss about what is Google Ad How to earn money. Google Ads is a widely used online advertising platform that allows businesses to promote their products or services through targeted ads displayed on Google's search engine results pages and across its extensive network of partner websites. For individuals and businesses looking to earn money through Google Ads, there are two primary avenues running ads to promote their own products, services, or participating in Google AdSense to display ads on their websites and earn revenue. This article will delve into both approaches, offering insights into how each method works and providing tips for success. Running ads with Google Ads. Number 1, understanding Google Ads, Google Ads operates on a pay-per-click PPC model, where advertisers bid on keywords relevant to their business. When users search for those keywords, the ads appear, and advertisers pay a fee when someone clicks on their ad. Number 2, creating effective ads, To maximize the effectiveness of your ads, focus on creating compelling ad copy using high-quality visuals and including relevant keywords. A well-designed landing page is crucial to ensure that users who click on your ad find valuable content. Number 3, keyword research, Thorough keyword research is essential to identify terms that potential customers might use when searching for your products or services. Use Google's Keyword Planner to find relevant keywords with optimal search volumes. Might use when searching for your products or services. Use Google's Keyword Planner to find relevant keywords with optimal search volumes. Number 4, targeting options, Google Ads provides various targeting options, allowing you to tailor your ads to specific demographics, locations, and devices. This helps ensure your ads reach the most relevant audience for your business. Number 5, setting a budget, Determine your daily or monthly budget for Google Ads. The budget should align with your advertising goals and the competitiveness of your chosen keywords. Number 6, monitoring and optimization, Regularly monitor the performance of your ads and adjust your strategy accordingly. Analyze metrics such as click-through rate (CTR), conversion rate, and return on ad spend ROAS to optimize your campaigns. Earning money with Google AdSense. Number 1, understanding Google AdSense, Google AdSense is a program that allows website owners to monetize their content by displaying ads Advertisers pay website owners when users interact with the ads, either by clicking on them CPC or by viewing them CPM. Number 2, website eligibility, To participate in Google AdSense, you need a website with valuable content. Ensure your site adheres to Google's policies, including having original content, a user-friendly design, and compliance with copyright laws. Number 3, application process, Apply for Google AdSense through the AdSense website. Once approved, you can generate ad codes to place on your website. Google's algorithm will then display relevant ads based on your content and users' preferences. Number 4, ad placement, Strategically place ads on your website to maximize visibility without compromising the user experience. Experiment with ad formats and sizes to find what works best for your audience. Number 5, traffic generation, Increasing website traffic is crucial for boosting AdSense earnings. Utilize SEO strategies, social media promotion, and content marketing to attract more visitors to your site. Number 6, monitoring performance, Regularly check your AdSense account to monitor earnings, ad performance, and user engagement. Adjust ad placements and strategies based on the data to optimize revenue. Conclusion. Whether you choose to run ads through Google Ads or earn money with Google AdSense, success requires dedication, continuous learning, and adaptation to market trends. Both approaches offer opportunities for individuals and businesses to generate income online. But effective strategies and a commitment to quality are key to achieving sustainable results. Thanks for watching.